How a solar panel works. Have you ever wondered why solar panels make electricity? Are they magical? How do they magically convert light into electricity? No, they are not magical. Solar panels are made by combining silicon with different elements to create positive or negative charge. On the negative plate, silicon, which has 4 valence electrons, and phosphorus, which has 5 valence electrons, are combined. Together, there is a stable combined 8 electrons with 1 extra electron bonded to the phosphorus. This makes the panel negatively charged. To make the positively charged panel, the process is repeated, but with boron instead of phosphorus. Boron has 3 valence electrons. A silicon-boron plate has 1 slot left for an electron. Both plates are connected with wires. This is where the solar power comes in. There are many types of energy from the sun, but the one particle used is the photon. A photon is an elementary particle, the basic building block of light and other forms of electromagnetic radiation. Photons are described by quantum mechanics, which I will not go into in this podcast. Anyhow, the photon acts as a cue ball, as in pool. As the photons from the sun hit the negatively charged side of the solar panel, the side with the extra electron, the photons knock the extra electrons off the phosphorus. The electron then travels through the negative wire to the positive side, the one with the missing electron. The electricity flows in a circle, however, and travels through the positive wire to the negative side, creating electric flow. In electricity, if there are extra electrons in one place of a circular wire and there are missing ones on the other side, then the extras will try to reach the missing slot and fill it. It is like a bunch of people crammed into a room, and an empty room is on the other side of a door. If the door is open, then the people will all go into the other room. If a circuit is made and the people are given reason to go into the other room, the people will then walk in a neat circle from room to room in a line, making electric current. Now you know how that magical solar panel works, and why it is able to power electric things. Solar power is now an increasingly used alternative energy source for many things. Solar power also means taking up lots of land, but if solar power were installed in all the roofs and streets in America, they could easily power the US and other countries too. Solar power is a relatively new concept, and most solar panels only have about a 19% efficiency rating based on cost of power. Solar power, however, is a very useful resource and should be used.